guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon, ang trip natin gawin ay mag-breakfast sa isa sa mga masarap na gotohan sa Batangas. Ito ang Kuya Oliver's Gotohan na matatagpuan sa Barangay Mabalanoy, San Juan, Batangas. Ito yung menu nila. Meron silang family size. Ito yung dinosaur ribs tsaka ultimate goto bulalo. And then for single order naman, meron silang overload na 150 pesos, super load, and then bat and balls na 200 pesos.
Such a crime, 'cause we're in our prime. You will be alright when the stars align, 'cause you are mine and you satisfy me, and you satisfy me.
So guys, kitang-kita mo kung paano nila niluluto yung pagkain na kakainin mo kasi nasa kabilang side lang siya tapos sa kabila tables and chairs na para dun yung dine-in. Share ko lang sa inyo na kapag pumunta kayo dito, hanapin nyo agad kung sino yung nagbibigay ng number para mabigyan kayo bago kayo humanap ng mauupuan. Para sa mga magtatanong kung sino ba si Kuya Oliver, ito po siya. Ang in-order namin na isang overload at super load and then nag-add lang kami ng 2 rice. So guys, kitang-kita niyo naman po sa video na inaabangan niya yung reaction ko. And honestly guys, first time ko to makakain ng goto ng Batangas. Masarap siya, malasa, malambot din yung laman niya.
I could be down, I could be out, but one thing is true, is that my heart will be full as long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels brand new, and I can never be blue when it's me and you. Whoa. and we made it through. There's nothing in this world that we can't do when it's me and you. I want this forever, can you be my girl? I want you to know you're my whole damn world. My whole damn world. At least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life. Remember working hard just to keep on the lights. Remember stealing from the Tootsie Roll jar just to have some Del Taco nights. That's right. Remember living life two of a kind. Remember Simba sitting at the front door of Greenleaf just to greet with the bite. In 2003, we became 3. 2 years more, we became 4. Who could ask for more? Yes, we had love. Yes, we were complete.
Ganito po yung struggle namin kapag pauwi.